To the Q&A.
Q&A! Ayan, these questions are from our friends also and viewers. Ayan, Chechi, first question. Dot. Mami. This Master Chef, 3 Master Chef here.
Varun had told me that he likes a girl called Rachel. Yes, and he had sent me some pictures.
And how could you define Indian beauty? It's like pageant, guys. Your question is like for pageant.
So we're going to make biryani today. Biryani. Beef biryani.
Introduce your co-chef, baby.
Huh?
Introduce the chefs.
So hello guys, welcome back to Team India Philippines channel. Today we have a special guest from Qatar. She's a well-known chef in
Oh my
Qatar.
God.
She's got farms in Qatar.
Every mother is a good cook for the family.
She eats only free-range eggs. So we're going to cook biryani.
Okay.
She's the instructor.
Yes.
Chechi is just strong.
Yes.
Hi guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome back.
your channel.
Again. Welcome back to Team India Philippines. Say how are you guys?
Twist.
Twist.
Great.
Great.
Ooh. In the Philippines.
Dot. Mami. Okay, wait, okay? Okay, so baby, update.
So you saw the spices. In between we added some pepper powder too. And some coriander powder. Now I think she's taking some green chilies, ginger garlic. So we're going to keep it marinated.
So is it similar to Mami's biryani?
They always make different types,
Yeah, different times, different.
different ways.
It depends on the mood. You know,
Yeah.
if you want to eat the spicy kind, then we go for the spicy kind. Otherwise, if it's something simple that you want to have, then we go for the simple. You know,
Yeah, you
with
can.
less spice and all that. And if more kids are eating, then less spice again. So now we'll grind green chilies, garlic and some ginger. Ginger, garlic paste. And that we can add a few bay leaves.
Oh, where's the paper?
Up in a tree.
Up in a tree.
Up in a tree.
I'll climb. Hey. Here.
Let it get fried nicely. Some other.
Chechi, this is your personal recipe.
Yeah, keeps on changing. I forget it also. The next time again I do it, you know, with your, what do you call, you feel like, okay, now I'll add this. Like, there's no regular recipe.
Regular
as such,
recipe.
yeah.
See, Chuchay,
Mostly,
like a monkey.
Mostly it should be like, you know, the salt should be fine, the spices, you know, and some, the feel of heat of the spices.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
you
the
will just taste
fragrance.
Chechi.
Yeah.
Go.
If the meat is good, most probably it comes out very well.
See, guys, cook family. Chef family. See, baby is here. chopping onions. Ayan.
Crying.
Don't cry.
Once this is nicely fried, you know that raw smell goes off. Yeah. Then we can add some tomatoes and onions. Just chop onions. Now we are doing it in a hurry actually. Yeah, because I came late. No? Another main thing is we need to soak the rice at least. At least for 15 minutes it should be well soaked. That's when it will come out really well. The rice texture. Kami yung nalaki ko dito
Ayan guys, madami na naman kayong natututunan. See, this Master Chef, 3 Master Chef here. Actually guys, did you notice that baby is always the assistant of mommy?
Assistant of mommy, assistant of Chechi.
Yeah. But at home, he is the Master Chef. Chechi is very fast in kitchen. Like it's new to me. Mommy will take time to cook.
It takes 10 minutes to think about it.
This can save time. Let the meat be cooked there. You know, so we save time.
For the what is it? Pressure cooker.
Yeah, the pressure cooker will cook the meat fast. Meanwhile, this will get, you know, nicely reduced. The gravy will be cooked well. Because we have less time, we need to do some
Small.
yeah,
Multitasking.
techniques.
Yan na. See guys, it's like a buffet. You know, baby, in Philippines, you use like this. It's like a birthday party. This is not actually like birthday party for them. This is every day,
This is a normal day.
normal day.
Because we have so many people.
Yeah.
8 people, no? 8 adults.
Yes. So, ayan na guys. This one, para mas madali siyang maluto, they put in the pressure cooker. Ayan. Kasi nagmamadali na. We are in rush.
So guys, we are taking this opportunity to do a Q&A with my sister. She's extremely busy.
Yeah.
She's meeting relatives. She's moving around a lot in Dubai. So we got this opportunity to get her to cook biryani for us today and do the Q&A.
Q&A! Ayan. These questions are from our friends also and viewers. Ayan. Chechi, first question. From GC Walya. Hi, GC Walya! Ayan. Did she get her full support at first when she got to know that her brother would get married to a Filipino?
Like, did you get the support?
Yeah.
Yes. Initially, actually, I think 2 years back, Varun had told me that he likes a girl called Rachel. Yes, and he had sent me some pictures. But that time I was thinking like maybe it's just, you know, you need to wait because the culture is different. So I didn't immediately say yes, but then I didn't say no also. Then I told him, you think well and tell me again.
Yeah. I remember, guys, that Varun told me that it's like a surprise. Baby, I send your picture to my Chechi. So
That is 2 years back, and then one fine, then after 2 years only, I understood that he was serious about her. So as a family, we all were very happy to, you know, it was his happiness that mattered to us. And whenever he spoke about Rachel, I noticed one thing that he used to say, Chechi, she's a very good person. He used to he used to say that she's a very good person, very good heart, like that he used to say. Yeah, so that is
Maybe
is
you're
what
planning to
mattered.
cry.
That is what mattered to me mainly. To us, I would say.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Are you crying?
Okay, good.
Same with that.
How is Rachel Ann as Filipino sister-in-law?
I actually don't feel she's different from us. Only sometimes I speak to her in our language. Then I realize, oh my God, she is not able to understand that. Like that, she misses a lot of jokes.
Yeah.
So I tell her, you have to learn Malayalam somehow. Or you teach me Tagalog because it is very difficult. Sometimes, I want her to understand the jokes which I say without remembering that she is a different national.
Yeah.
So that is how I feel about her. She is just one of us. I don't feel she is different.
Filipino.
Yes.
Next question from?
Next question. What is her first impression to the Philippines, Katie?
To the Philippines or the people?
But
from
she's never been to Philippines. No?
But maybe the picture, I don't know, that's
Yeah.
the question. From Istriel Riego.
Generally about Filipinos.
Okay, generally, okay.
Generally about Philippines, it's a place which I always felt I want to go and visit. I don't know, I feel happy when I think about Philippines, maybe because I've seen pictures of natural beauty there. I'm a person who loves nature. And about people from Philippines, I've always known them to be very cheerful, very happy, really. So, in all ways I love it. And we are planning a group trip to Philippines one day.
Yes. So stay
If
tuned,
God
guys.
allows.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned after COVID.
Yes.
After COVID.
So our biryani is getting ready. Usually we cook the meat along with this. But today because we don't have time, we are cooking it separate so that we can save time. Beef needs more time to cook.
Okay guys, next question from Ate Net, Narielwala Family Vlogs. Ayan. She have 3 questions. How do you find Rachel as your sister-in-law knowing that she has different way of bringing up as a Filipino?
I found her always to be cheerful and pleasant. So I feel very happy being with her. That is all.
Yeah. Then next question, Chechi. Do you find her very good wife and mother to your brother
Yes,
and children?
excellent mother and excellent wife.
Yeah, because
They're
both
very,
crazy.
very good homemaker. We all go crazy sometimes. That's a part of all women. There is no difference which national you are. So that is it. I love Rachel's home management.
Thank
Love
you,
it.
Chechi. Last question from Ate Net. Advice to other Indian lady to whom had different nationalities, sister-in-law, same as Ate Rachel, or any other nationalities. You get it?
Me?
Like advice to woman like you.
Yes.
Like another Indian woman who's got a Filipino sister-in-law.
Or any other nationality.
Okay. One thing is sometimes we might forget that they are not able to understand what we say. So sometimes they might feel, alone in the crowd. There is a possibility where we all talk in our language and the other person is left out without knowing what's happening. In Rachel's case, I have noticed that she does not respond in any bad way. She just sits quietly. Sometimes I notice it and then I make efforts to include her in the conversation.
How they are.
Yeah, that is one thing if we can take care of, it will be good. We are not doing it purposely, like we are not ignoring purposely, but sometimes when the language is ours,
Yeah,
it
you carry the way,
happens.
even in Philippines, Chechi,
Yeah,
like
it
if it is Filipino, Tagalog.
yeah, so I can imagine if I am the one to be in a crowd of people who are not from my place, then after some point of time they might forget that I am not able to understand and might feel alone. So whenever I have noticed that, when I've realized that I put in efforts to tell you, to
Yeah.
translate it to you so that you will feel together with us,
Yeah.
I want her to understand everything we say, to be a part of everything we go through, good and sad.
See, this is my Chechi. Baby, come. You want to say something?
So that's it. No questions anymore.
There is more, but wait. Little bit more so that you will continue watching until the end.
Yeah, you have to watch until the end.
Yeah.
Thank
More
you for
questions.
all the questions. I enjoy it. Thank you very much for all the support. Yes.
Thank you so much. See the twins? Chuchay, Chuchay. Chuchay, Chuchay. You know, Chachi, they said that you look like Chuchay.
Really?
They said,
Me?
oh, yeah, most of the comments, right? Ah, now I know who really looks like Chuchay. So I will tell, yeah, because Varun looks like Chachi.
Yeah. Let us see how when she grows up we can figure out how it is.
So you notice, guys, that we cannot vlog every day now because we are really busy. And if we are really with family, it's really different outside camera. Like, what outside? Like,
Yeah, because we're so busy and a lot of people are coming. My brother-in-law is going here and there. We are going. Everything is very quick. So
yeah.
we are not having the time to carry the camera around, but we are still trying. There are some videos that we already took.
Yes.
So this will come up soon.
Yes, that's true. So, ito na yung ating biryani, guys. Ayan, medyo dry na yung ating onions with tomatoes. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda nung kalan, no? Ang ganda nung lutuan. I love it. Ang ganda. What is your raita, baby?
Raita is missing some chilies. I was getting that. Maybe a little more salt.
This one for the rice, Katie?
Yes, this is for the rice. Because again we don't have time, no, separately. So I am keeping everything side by side ready. This is for garnishing. Some fried onions. It will add color to your rice and the curry also.
This is the beef, no?
Yes.
Beef.
So we're cooking rice. You just simply fry it in a little ghee. So the rice will remain separate and will not get mushy.
Okay, Chachi. But some people, Chachi, I saw they are boiling, no?
That way also we can.
Huh? What do you want? Pupu? Okay. So, mommy's dish is different.
उसका पानी सुखाना है तो क्या करेंगे?
Oh, this is the mortar.
Yeah. Now this water has to reduce.
Okay, Chachi.
The rest is cooked enough. Meat is cooked. We'll put it in full flame and reduce the masala a little.
And it will be roasted also, Chachi.
Then we put the rice on top. You know, it takes time. That's one problem.
So, baby, update.
We almost finished the beef. The rice is. You saw the rice, no? Where is the rice?
Rice is there. It's kept there. We'll mix it now. Alright. ഇനി നമുക്കിത് മിക്സ് ചെയ്യില്ല കേട്ടോ വരെ.
അതിനകത്ത് അവസാനം ഇട്ടെന്ന പൊടി.
പെരുംജീരകപ്പൊടി. ഇളക്കിയിട്ട്
So, are you ready to eat?
I am totally ready to eat.
I think that should be fine. Now mix it well.
Take it.
Taste test.
Now the masala, you can keep it here. The masala is almost ready and reduced to a great extent. The main flavor which I love in biryani is the mint and the coriander.
Wow.
So we put one layer of that. A little bit of fried onions will give it that brown color. It's great, right? Now, see how the rice is cooked. This is the joy of making biryani. See this? It's not stuck at all. Last time I did not like it because it was, remaining here and there. Now we layer it.
Is it because of the ghee, Chachi?
It's because of the quantity that we cook and the bowl in which we cook. Last time the rice which I had taken was too much. Now we are ready. This one fully covered. To make it tasty.
Chachi, last 3 questions from JB Mayrab. Ayan. What are the characteristic or personality of a Filipina which is similar to an Indian woman? Very hard to
I really do not know, but I think Indian women are more, loving homemakers.
Yeah, I think so.
So that way, I think like for more into the family and pampering kids and all that. So I think that is the similarity that I can think of. Yeah.
Yeah. But I think more Indian, they really love to like mommy, like you, Chachi, like in the house. But Filipinas, mostly they want to
They want to go out.
work.
Yeah.
They want
That's
to
true,
work.
that's true.
Yeah. What is her favorite Filipino dish if she had it already?
Me,
Yeah.
I have had mutton soup from Rachel, but I don't know if it is Filipino, and it was excellent. That is one dish that I have
See,
had.
mommy also love it.
We get very less chance to have her food
Yeah.
because I visit very rare.
Last question, Chechi. Likewise, how could she define how could she define a Filipina beauty? And how could you define Indian beauty? It's like pageant, guys. Your question is like for pageant.
Okay, let me think. Filipino beauty and Indian beauty. I think all are beautiful in their own way. I really cannot differentiate. I'll tell you one common thing about beauty is the attitude that comes on your face, the humility and the confidence that makes every woman beautiful, irrespective of whether they're Indian or Filipino or whoever. Yeah.
But I will tell you, the Filipino have platinum.
No matter what it is, they look beautiful when they smile from their heart.
Wow.
However the noses, however the eyes are, the inner beauty is what reflects.
Give hand of applause. Ta, 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 ta. Okay. So,
One thing I've noticed that Filipinos have very beautiful skin and hair. Yes, I have always wondered how they maintain it. When I see them, like how nice their skin is kept, how soft and supple, and how nice and silky the hair is, which is not a real Indian thing which I have noticed. We Indians also have good skin, but maintenance and I do not know. That is something different. Like
Yeah. Tada!
ito na guys. This is it, pansit. Tada! Tara na! 10 dirham per order!
10 dirham.